Installation video of 5-blade ceiling fan with light. Check with the list of accessories in the manual to make sure they are complete. Let's start. Disconnect the power supply by turning off the circuit breaker. According to your ceiling type, choose the appropriate screws to secure provided addlon hanger bracket. Pull out the fixing, unplugging the pin. Loosen the screws. Thread the cord through the downrod dot and then plug the pin, insert fixing back and tighten the screws. String the decorative yoke cover, canopy cover, and canopy onto the downrod. Fixing the downrod ball. Hang the downrod and motor to the ceiling bracket. Insert the receiver into the bracket for wiring. Warning: wiring must be in local and national electric code N.C, standards and ANSI/NFPA 70. If you are unfamiliar with wiring or in doubt, consult a qualified electrician. Green wire, connect to the ground. Black wire, connect to the line. White wire, connect to the neutral. Plug the wire connectors tight, making sure that wires of the same color are connected. Slide up the canopy and tighten the screws, then upward the canopy cover. Install spacers on all short screws. Blades available in 2 colors. Choose one you like. This installation will use brown wood grain as an example. Place the 2-end fan blades on the decorative splice. Put on the upper splice, and then tighten 4 screws. Screw the bracket to the fan blade with 3 screws. Please make sure that the engraved surface of the connector faces the ceiling. Install the blade with 2 screws for each. Install 5 blades and tighten all 10 screws to ensure the stability. Unscrew one of screws for future use. Unscrew all 3 of screws on the lamp panel for future use. Align the remaining 2 screws with the slots on the light panel. Gently rotate the panel to make it in place. Install one screw and tighten all 3 screws. Plug the wire connector of the light board tightly. Tighten the 3 pre-removed lamp panel screws. Attach the light cover to the light kit by twisting it clockwise until it snaps into place.